If you've watched my channel for any time, you know I absolutely just love my Typhur Dome air fryer. Well, guess what? Baby girl here, she has a new big brother, the brand new Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. So what's new? What's better? How can you use it in your kitchen? Stick around because I'm going to cover all the updates and maybe show you some cooking snippets. And very important, I'm going to share some giveaway details how you can win one of these brand new Typhur Dome 2 air fryers. So at first glance, you're going to notice this one here, the Typhur Dome 2, is slightly higher. It's 10.3 inches compared to 9.7 inches. So even with the extra height, the Typhur Dome 2 will easily sit on your kitchen counter under your kitchen cabinets. And surprisingly, this one, it's a half a pound lighter, even though it looks bigger. Here are some of the presets right on the face of the Typhur Dome. You got pizza, you got bacon, steak, wings, air fryer, toast, grill, and reheat. But there's more. Can you see? It has both of my devices on here. For the Typhur Dome, it shows the different modes: the air fryer, toast, grill, reheat, bake, griddle, roast, dehydrate, broil. And then in presets, it's showing the pizza, bacon, steak, wings, fries, and frozen. And you can control your air fryer right from your cell phone. You know what? Essentially, you're getting a convection oven, a grill, a toaster, and a dehydrator, all in one appliance. Wait, did I mention how you could win one of these Typhur Dome 2 air fryers? It's pretty simple. During our Air Fryer February event, I'll give you more details later. But you know, the real magic of the Typhur Dome 2 compared to the original Typhur Dome is in something I can't show you. You can't see it. It features a brand new bottom heating element, creating 360-degree heating. You know, what does that mean? Well, that means crispier bottoms and less flipping. And it's paired with dual temperature sensors. So your finished product will always turn out fantastic. Just imagine what the Typhur Dome 2 can do for your weeknight meals. And here's an exciting bonus. I have a 10% discount code and a link to purchase the Typhur Dome 2 right now. I mean, this is the perfect opportunity to upgrade your kitchen. Now, I want to show you some of the ways I use it. Check out these slices of French toast, sizzling right on the griddle mold, crispy on the outside, fluffy inside. And when it's pizza night, pizza setting is perfect for crisp crusts and cheesy, gooey toppings. Maybe you just want a burger. Well, you can also make that in your Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. And as an added bonus, you can also crisp up your buns to have the perfect hamburger. Maybe you want biscuits for dinner. Again, you can make them in the bake function in your air fryer. Or how about steak? Everybody's favorite. Yep, just use the steak setting. Just look at these juicy, juicy steaks. And both the original Typhur Dome and the Typhur Dome 2 have a cleanup mode, which is so wonderful. Because if you've got an air fryer, you know it gets guck and grime up above and you just can't get it out. Well, the self-cleaning mode on both of these is great. Now, this self-cleaning mode even goes a little higher. On the one, it goes to 450 degrees. This one goes to 500, just the way my wall ovens do it. And it's so easy to use. You just use your app. And then you can do self-cleaning. This is the 1 hour mode. Or you can do the deep cleaning mode, which takes about 2 hours. And you really should do this after using your air fryer multiple times to keep it in peak condition. Another neat feature is the app lets you store custom preset settings. Let's say you found the perfect setting for something that you make often. You can save that setting so you always have it in the future, right on your app. Let me show you how easy it is to make a nutritious dinner in less than a half hour using your air fryer. Tonight we're going to make crispy chicken thighs with a side dish of honey glazed sweet potato dices and some garlic cheese bread to accompany it. Doesn't that sound good? So one of the reasons I love the air fryer is how fast you can make a really great meal. And this is just for organic smart chicken thighs. I got them manager special for only $2.61. And then I have one sweet potato and some leftover French bread. So I'm going to make a great meal for two, so let's get started. So we're going to start with our sweet potato dish. I found this recipe on Taste of Home, and it's by Rosemary Seifert. So first you have to peel your sweet potato, or you could leave the peel on. It is up to you. And then dice it up nice and small. Now I'm only using one large sweet potato, so I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons honey, a tablespoon olive oil, maybe a half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, a fourth a teaspoon salt, and a little pepper. And then we're going to mix it up well. Pour out your sweet potatoes and have them so there's only one layer. That way they'll crisp up better. For the chicken thighs, I'm using a recipe on the Typhur Eats website. We're using a half a teaspoon kosher salt. I just shook on some black pepper, 1 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/8 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, and now just mix it well. And now we're ready to dredge our chicken thighs. Now we're just going to spray our pan a little. And now we're going to dredge our chicken thighs. Aren't those nice thighs? Down. Okay, now we ready our double ovens. So for here we want to preheat this to 400 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll start this one. Our thighs are only going to take about, maybe 16 minutes. But plus we got the preheating, so a little over 20 minutes. And our sweet potato here could take 20 to 25. So we're going to start the sweet potatoes. And they're only going to be at 350. And we'll start them at 20 minutes. We might have to do longer. And start. And now we're just going to spray just a little bit over, okay? I didn't need to spray that. And then we're going to put it at 400 for about, I think, 16 minutes. We'll try. I think maybe 2 minutes more. Okay, now let's make a little impromptu garlic bread with that leftover French bread. Just put on some butter. There we go. Now we're going to put on just a little garlic powder. That's probably enough. And then some pizza cheese, which is also left over. And maybe just a little parsley on top just to make it look nice. Now these are gonna go real quick in the air fryer. So here's our sweet potatoes, nice and crispy, and they are done. Okay, now that this is empty, we'll put in our garlic cheese bread. We're gonna put it on toast setting, and I think maybe only, maybe 3 minutes. We'll be back. Now we'll check on, whoa. Oh yeah, they're done. Doesn't that look good? Let's cut into our thigh here. Oh, hear that crispy part? Oh, look at the juices running. Can you see that? Oh, doesn't that look good? Now let's take a bite without trying to burn ourselves. Get some of that good crispy skin. Mmm. Mmm. So nice and crispy, yet still moist. Let's try our garlic bread here. Mmm. Again, look at that. Doesn't that look good? And then some of our sweet potatoes. What a quick, easy dinner. And now for the big news. Air fryer February 2025 is back. So this year I've partnered with some amazing channels for this collaboration. We have Linda from Tuli Loot Creates, the other Linda from Linda's Pantry, Karen from In the Kitchen with Karen, Renee at Pike Creek Farm, Angie, the Inquisitive Farm Wife, and Remy from Remy's World. Oh yeah, and of course me, Prepper Potpourri. So here's how you might be able to win this marvelous, the Cadillac of all air fryers, the Typhur Dome 2. All you have to do is watch each video in the collab, and those videos are going to be posted February 1st through February 14th. And then just comment on each of those videos. And on February 28th, we'll have a drawing. It'll be completely random what video is picked and what comment is picked. But you might have a chance to win this beautiful kitchen appliance. It's so modern looking, isn't it? You're as excited about this Typhur Dome 2 as I am. Be sure to check out the link below and the 10% purchase discount. I mean, it's unique shape, allows more consistent temperature, and of course now it has the dual heating elements and temperature controls, and the self-cleaning module even goes up to 500 degrees. And it can even be a grill or a griddle. So take advantage of this 10% discount code, and I hope you buy a Typhur Dome 2. You will not be disappointed. See you in Air Fryer February 2025.